what is up, guys? It's Cole here, and my crew is making a little bit of paper airplanes and all that jazz. I have a little bit crew, 2 people that are girls, and they're making the airplanes. They're trying their best to do them, and why they are making them. Once they're done, we test them. Yeah, I know we're looking offline, see which ones to do. So let's go see which ones they're doing. Let's go. Do 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 do. It's so awesome. It's so amazing. Casey, what's
I need your help.
What? No, I can't.
This part. Where
I can't help.
Dude, freaking pause the video.
No.
Yes.
No.
Dude, this was your idea in the goddamn first place. Logan, I need your help. Hang on. Now, please.
Okay, wait. What do you need help with?
Step 11. See, it says open the first layer of the topmost triangle and bring the point of the top down so it hits the point on the center line crease formed by the upper layers, which is that right there. Did you just see what he did?
No, hold on.
See, he folds it in half, which I did, and then he opens it and does that.
Which part does he open, though?
Watch, okay, hang on. See, he folds it in half and he opens this part. And watch how he folds it in half. See, he does that and he opens it and then folds it. How in the heck does he fold it? He opens it and then he opens it and then just like.
Yeah. That's all he does.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
Jesus,
Well,
dumb.
that's not what it looks like. Is that what it looks like to you?
Yeah.
That doesn't look like a square though. Okay, I was confused. Thank you.
It's so weird. Logan, how's it going over here?
Can you hold this?
Yes, I can.
Thank you.
I'm rocking away.
See.
Which one did you make? Go look up me phone. Look up. Yeah.
Pop the inside right point.
You don't need to see my password, people. What's this one?
Pop the inside right point.
Ready, guys?
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
Let's retry this.
Oh.
Inside right point of the square popped up and put
And no tape on it. Ready?
Tape's on the wall. Tape's on the. Okay, you gotta get to go on the camera.
Ready?
Tape.
See it?
Ah.
What's... Ready?
Okay, okay, okay.
Stop. We're gonna retry this now.
How's it going? Is it working?
Let's make a different one now.
I got my finger tape flying going.
New creases should be formed
Woo!
on the upper right and middle corners.
Woo! Yeah, where you on my phone, girl? Whoa, why you on my phone, girl? I can make an airplane. I can make an airplane. Try to make an airplane.
Got this open out.
Anyway, guys, just rocking around. Just making airplanes. I'm gonna make one real quick or show it to you. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. This one right here. We just crafted it. It don't really fly that much though. Woo! Oh. Oh. Peace out, Vaughn. I want this to. Just one
Well,
more.
come here. Do you understand this part?
Be right back, peace. Yeah.
Okay. What the who? 13, right here. Pop the inside right point of the square flap up and bring it out towards the diagonal outside edge of the paper.
I got my little fingers on it.
See, watch the video. Up, over. Okay. 2 new creases should be formed from the upper right and lower left corners of the square to the existing diagonal crease. Okay, so it doesn't that mean just isn't that all? Isn't that all? Wait, so do they just pop the entire thing up or just part of it?
Pop out of it. Pop it all up.
See, but then I can't get it to up.
Then probably just half of it then.
Okay, see the inside right point of the square flap up and bring it out towards the diagonal edges. Isn't that the diagonal edge?
Yeah. Yeah, it's just like that.
Oh, okay, hang on then. And then it says,
Okay, I'm back.
finish the fold by pressing all the layers down. What does that mean?
Peace! What?
See, it says finish the fold by pressing all the layers down and flat against the working surface. Because that doesn't look like their thing.
Just push it down. Just you gotta just push it down. And it's not like all flat. Yeah, peace, what up? Logan? Peace,
Pull the
bruh.
flap out as close to the fold. This is a tricky fold. So take
Boys
some
and
time
girls,
to
I'm
find
gonna
it.
make picture in for you. Gotta take off my fingers. My other finger. Yes, son. Get the wreck, mate. Yeah, I did. Okay. Sorry to make this airplane. This thing's all going in the trash. 8:11 at night.
What? It's already that time?
I just did that. Yeah, anyway, guys.
I need the scissors.
Where are the scissors? I need them. I need them.
Gently pull the new flap out as you close the fold. Yes, it goes over and then up. Okay.
Pretty sharp, guys. Casey, it looks pretty good.
I'm trying to get that one part.
Please. Make a paper airplane for you guys. You got in the comments what kind of paper airplane we should make for you guys. Ah, my toe!
Careful.
It hit the chair! Ouch! This
I think I did that.
person to my left, right here. Can you? Yeah. She does a lot of crafts and stuff.
For me?
Yes, you. I'm talking about you on YouTube. Yes, I said.
So if you have any craft videos that you want me to do, just recommend them down below in the comments.
Yes, because she does have a YouTube channel. Oh.
I think I did that without knowing it. Hold the point at the right edge of the paper.
Yeah, don't worry about that noise. It's just the paper. Sometimes just the paper. Leave down in the subscriptions what her YouTube channel is. Just go down and subscribe to her. Peace. Ho. Adam. Are you are coming? Well, what about yeah. Mm-hmm.
Look, I made it.
Look at this, guys. It don't look very well, but it looks okay. It looks like a shark.
Maybe you can make it better, Cole.
No, not as good as you can. I'm very bad at making airplanes. I'm better at playing games than this stuff. Oh, some airplanes I'm good at. Mike, oh yeah, where's my airplane that won? Huh? Where's he at? He's right here. This one right here, I made myself. And it went how far? Uh-oh, wait, right there. Okay. Attempt one without wind, 23 feet and 3 1/8 inches.
Dude, that goes so fast.
With wind, 23 feet and 8 inches. This was the next attempt two. Oh. Attempt two was
Try this.
Casey's. That's down there making one. She had without the wind 8 feet and 3 inches. With wind 9 feet and 2 4/8 inch. Mine's still winning.
Okay, go.
Woo!
Try this one.
I'm making one right now.
Okay, after that, he's gonna try to make the one that I just made. Peace.
Peace out, bruh.
Get this party started.
Turn on some music. Okay, get on my Pandora.
No, I'll get on my window because I don't have anything running on my